Finding the right domestic supplier can significantly benefit your business, including enhancing resilience, improving efficiencies, lowering costs, managing risks, and reducing lead times. Our Georgia Supply Chain Exchange database supports sourcing for manufacturers, providers, and suppliers in Georgia. With our database, you can add and respond to business opportunities, as well as search a directory of thousands of companies. To optimize your search, we suggest you develop supplier requirements first, such as business volume, item specifications, and manufacturing processes, and then map your prospective suppliers to understand your supply chain geography. I'm Doug Allvine, a supply chain project manager with the Georgia Manufacturing Extension Partnership at Georgia Tech. I assist manufacturers with identifying and implementing supply chain solutions. To join our supply chain network and connect with domestic suppliers, create an account at gscx.gamep.org.